Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove junk files after the deletion of a program in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Just go to search and search for Control Panel. From here, go to install a program. Then search for the program which you want to install. For example, I want to install this Riot Client. Just click on it, click on yes. Then just click on Riot Vanguard and do the same thing as well. Yes. After the program has been installed, to delete the junk files from it, what we need to do is just close this, go to search again, then type for percentage, program files, percentage, then go to program files. And in here, if you find any folder with the same name as the program you installed, just delete it. There's no Riot Client here, so I'm just going to close this. Next, what you want to do is type percentage, appdata, percentage, go in here. And in here, you need to do the same thing. Search for a folder with the same name as the installed program. For example, this one, just delete it. Then just close this. Then go to search again, and you need to go to the temporary folder by typing percentage temp percentage. Hit enter. And from here, you can delete everything. Just make sure to check this box and click on continue. Then when this comes up again, check this box and click on skip. And everything has been removed. And that is how to delete the junk files after deleting the softwares in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.